Welcome to Fulwari Education. Unit to Life is Many Other Ways. Chapter 3 Life in the Hot Wet Regions. Get Set Go. Locate Zaire and its three neighboring countries on the map of the world. Equatorial region is the region along the equator. It lies on the both sides of the equator. It is full of dense forests. The climate here is warmer and wetter than all the other regions of the world. Zaire is an excellent example of the hot and wet land, though it is the poorest country of the world. Zaire, Democratic Republic of Congo, Zaire, is situated in Africa. Till 1997, Zaire was called Republic of Zaire. Its capital is Kinshasa. It is the third largest country in Africa. It is in the deep interior of Africa continent. It has a very narrow outlet into the Atlantic Ocean. Land and location: the Democratic Republic of the Zaire lies in the equatorial region where hot and wet type of climate is found almost throughout the year. Being near the equator, northern Zaire is covered by the world's thickest and largest tropical rainforests. The trees in this area grow very tall and form a canopy preventing the sunlight from reaching the ground. Therefore, Zaire is also called the Heart of Darkness. Zaire is surrounded by 9 independent countries: Central African Republic and Sudan in the north, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi and Tanzania in the east, Zambia and Angola in the south, and another country having similar name, Republic of the Congo, Zaire, in the west. Climate and vegetation: the Democratic Republic of the Congo has a tropical climate. It rains throughout the year. The temperature high. Mornings are generally pleasant with bright sunshine. Humidity is high, which makes it uncomfortable at times. At noon, the temperature is very high and the heat is unbearable. Gradually, clouds build up, resulting in heavy rain in the afternoon. Evenings and nights are cool and comfortable. In hot and humid regions, trees and other plants grow quickly. Forests in this region contains a large variety of trees. Even sunlight cannot pass through this canopy. These forests remain green throughout the year and are thus called evergreen forests. The forests are so dense that it is difficult to even pass through them. These forests remain green all the year around. Therefore, these forests are called evergreen forests. Wildlife: various kinds of poisonous insects, birds, monkeys, gorillas, butterflies, chimpanzees, etc. are found in the forests of Zaire. Reptiles such as snakes, lizards, pythons wander here and there freely. A fly named tsetse is very poisonous. It spreads sleeping sickness after biting the people. They are very poisonous. Hence, the Zaire is called the natural zoo of the world. Lifestyle of the people: people of Zaire are tall and strong. They are of black in color. Their hair are short and curly. They live in the brick-made houses. But most of the people lead a nomadic life. These nomads are called pygmies. They depend on only natural foods such as fruits, roots of wild trees, as well as they eat ants and bees. Their life is like an early man still now. They use bows and spears to hunt the animals. Political life: the capital city of Zaire is Kinshasa. It has become free recently like India. Kinshasa is located on the bank of river Zaire. Matadi, Kisangani, Katanga, etc. are the other important cities. Matadi is the most important port of Zaire. It is located on the banks of river Zaire. The life of urban people is of modern style. They wear trousers and shirts, and women wear a special kind of dress. They like dancing and singing very much. Education is also spreading widely. Numerous schools and colleges are being opened here. A lot of students are going abroad to get higher education. Occupations: the people of Jere grow many crops such as rice, maize, cotton, coffee, rubber, bananas, groundnuts, etc. They have cleared the forests for farming purpose. Cassava is the staple food of the people of Jere. It is the root of a plant. Jere is rich in mineral production. Gold, copper, diamonds, manganese, tin, uranium, etc. are found in Katanga state. These minerals are exported also. New factories are now being set up here. Textiles, cement, soap, paper, chemical are also found in the cities. Recall: Jere is located in the equatorial region. The climatic condition of Jere is very hot and wet throughout the year. Jere is called the natural zoo of the world. Kinshasa is the capital city of Jere. New factories are being set up in Jere. Cassava is the staple food of Jere. Katanga state is rich in minerals. Urban life of Jere is of modern style.
Like, share, and subscribe.